So hello everyone. In this video we'll talk about Deepak Creations. तो मैं दीपक क्रिएशन से मिली कुल्लू में गांधी शिल्प फेस्टिवल में. वहाँ पे हम नाज से भी मिले थे. आई हैव ऑलरेडी अपलोडेड हर वीडियो. शी डज क्रोशे का काम एंड दीपक शी वर्क्स हैंड पेंटिंग क्लॉथिंग एंड फैब्रिक डिज़ाइंस. एंड इनका जो भी काम होता है इट्स नॉन टॉक्सिक फैब्रिक पेंटिंग एंड इट्स ऑल्सो वॉशेबल. सो यू कैन चेक हर आउट इंस्टाग्राम पेज विच इज़ नेम्ड एज Deepak_Creations on Instagram.
My name is Anamika Sharma. मैं उधमपुर जम्मू कश्मीर से हूँ. So what I do is my brand name is Deepak Creations, जिसमें मैं hand painting और hand embroidery करती हूँ. Like for example, these are the handkerchiefs that I do. My concept is basically 2T. That is trend and tradition because I want tradition to be alive with the modernity.
Okay.
So उस पे focus कर रही हूँ. And my brand is unique in two aspects. One is uniqueness.
Okay.
If I make customize your piece, that can't be recreated to another piece because I do free handstand painting.
Okay.
Second is the sustainability part. जो भी fabric मेरे पास बचता है after creating all the products, I convert it into usable products. For example, scrunchies.
Oh.
And second is जो भी fabric waste उसके बाद भी बचता है, I send it to another startup that convert it into threads. So I have zero waste and also I don't produce mass products. आप order करोगे, I make it and then deliver it to your own doorstep. So my brand name is Deepak Creation. You can follow it on Instagram.
Okay. And Deepak, how did you came up with this idea of this startup? Like.
Okay. So basically, I studied from Delhi University.
Yeah.
Graduated in 21. After that, I was preparing for civil services for 4 years.
Oh.
So I was giving my mains exam of JKPSC. On 3rd April 2024 was the day. I had my last optional ka paper. Deepak is my brother's name actually. He was sub-inspector in Jammu Kashmir Police. Got Martyr on the same day, 3rd April 2024. I could not got to the exam. Afterwards, I had some mental issues. I still have. I'm on medication also. So basically, I started painting as a therapy. Somehow it got turned into my own small business, and now I am full-time working on this thing.
It's really lovely. Can you show some of your products and can you explain like how come you came up with this idea?
So basically, this I just created yesterday only.
Wow, I love this. मतलब I wanted कि इसका एक और मिल जाए मुझे. I told her I would love getting one more pair of it.
So this is basically Holi special.
Oh.
यहाँ पे मेरी ये first exhibition actually. मुझे 1 साल हुआ start किए हुए. So I just thought maybe let's create something around Holi. So I also have my own colors here मैंने लाए हुए हैं.
Oh.
So I just created it yesterday only. Like these are the products. ये Holi special है तो Holi से inspired है.
Okay.
And these are the flower pieces. ये floral artwork है आपका.
हाँ.
And these are somewhat like
For couples. If I had been in a relationship, I would have gotten this. But sadly, I'm single.
So I also have for the people who don't not in the relationship as they were like for the
People who like cutesy things.
या फिर children's के
हाँ.
कुछ भी. There was also one customer who got engraved on it. Your
Okay.
any embroidery which you like can be embroidered. So हर चीज़ों को customize की जाती है. So basically my brand line is the product that is unique to you.
Oh.
Nobody else in the world has the same product like you.
Achha, so if someone wants to customize their own cloth, so like can you do it for them?
Yes. तो आपको क्या करना है, सिर्फ मेरी इंस्टा आईडी पे जाना है, that is
हाँ.
Deepak Creations 2311. There you can DM me or either you can also WhatsApp business वहाँ पे है मेरा, वहाँ पे आप मुझे DM कर सकते हैं. If you have any image है कि मुझे ऐसा वाला customize करवाना है, you can send it to me. I'll customize that for you. If you don't have any any idea about कि करना क्या है, you can give me your idea कि मुझे ऐसा कुछ चाहिए. You can create something like that. You can choose the fabric, you can choose the design or anything of sorts.
Okay. Thank you so much.
आपको कुछ भी कस्टमाइज करवाना हो, you can DM us on our Instagram IDs and can be customized.